Hello everyone, my name is Hasti. I study in 5th grade of Tizuchan Private School. Today I want to about the important topic in our life, which is trustworthiness. Trustworthiness means preserving and retaining trust, whether financial or non-financial, such as secrets, and is considered valuable in terms of reason and religion. Betrayal of trust is a great sin and weakens the foundation of trust, social security, and truth in society. Trustworthiness not only attracts the trust of others and leads to salvation in the hereafter, but also ensures sustenance in this world. The concept of trust. Financial trust include material assets, whether contractual trust or Sharia, and legal trust, which must be returned to their owners. Non-financial trust include social and personal secrets, the disclosure of which is considered treason. The importance and effects of trustworthiness, the basis of trust and social security. Trustworthiness creates public trust in society and prevents the collapse of social relations. The cause of honesty and truthfulness. When trustworthiness becomes widespread in society, honesty and confidence in the heart also increase. Attracting divine pleasure. God has considered trustworthiness to be a desirable thing in the Holy Quran. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my talk.